everybody, we are at Walmart and I'm excited to share with you guys today's deals. Usually my bonuses pop up at 8 o'clock. It is like just around 8 o'clock right now. Last week I didn't get a weekly bonus, because I had to do my video on Wednesday because we went out of town. But then Thursday, when it came up, I did get a Weekend Warrior. Now today is Thursday and no Weekend Warrior is popping up. So unless it's gonna pop up sometimes it pops up a little bit later. I don't know, but if we don't get it, that's okay. Then there is another bonus that is here. It is the s'mores bonus where I need 65 rebates for 10 bucks. That is not going to happen. I'm going to tell you guys this. It is June. June is always the slowest month with Ibotta. I don't know why. I know with like a lot of advertising, they kind of slow it down around this time. That's a lot of things with a lot of things because they're getting ready for like the end of the year. Like most companies have like a bonus or have like a budget, and then like this is the time where they're kind of slowing it down because not a lot of people are focusing on a lot of things. They're worrying about, you know, they're focusing on going on vacation or this and that. And it's just always, June has always been a slow month. But that is okay. I'm excited to share with you guys some deals that we can get. Funny thing is, we went out of town. We went to Minneapolis last weekend, and I had newspapers at the hotel, and I was like, sweet, I grabbed some coupons. And like, the coupons were good because they're coupons that I never get, but it just sucks because like coupons are just not what they used to be anymore. It's not even worth paying for it. I know some people in certain areas have awesome times or awesome coupons. My area sucks. My area sucks. I have to go to Minneapolis or Chicago to get a decent coupon. I get sometimes the Milwaukee paper, or I live in Madison where it's the state capital, Wisconsin, and our paper sucks. And so sometimes is Milwaukee, but that is okay. But we're going to go inside and share with you guys some deals. There's some food deals that I'm excited to share with you. So let's go inside and have some fun shopping while we're saving some money. So here we have the Crest 3D White, the Charcoal Deep Clean. My store has this for $6.98 and I scanned a ton of these, but this one's actually having 2 Ibotta rebates pop up for it. We have a $4 off 3D White, and then we have a $2 off Crest Premium Ibotta rebate, so you get $6 back. This comes out to be just 98 cents, and I think from $6.98 to 98 cents, I think that is a pretty great deal. So here we have the Colgate Total, the whitening. I did scan this one, but it's not popping up in the Swag Bucks app, so if you guys want to try it, go for it. But anyways, these are $4.96. You're going to pay $4.96 for it. But we have a couple rebates that you can submit your receipt to. We have a Checkout 51 rebate where you get $1.24 back. Then you can also submit your receipt back to Swag Bucks where you get $100 points, which is $1 through Swag Bucks, and then you get 250 points, which is $2.50 with a limit of 1 with Ibotta, making this just 22 cents, which is a pretty decent deal for some toothpaste. So here we have the Dial Exfoliate and Restore, the cocoa butter and orange extract. This is $3.97. You'll pay $3.97. But here we have a shop kick deal where you get 500 kicks and 10 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $2.04. And then you also get $1.25 with a limit of 1 with Ibotta, making this from $3.97 all the way down to 68 cents for a bottle of body wash. That is a great deal. So here we have the Safeguard hand soap for $3.67. You'll pay $3.67 for it. But we have an Ibotta rebate with a limit of 1 for just 50 cents. And then we also have a Shopkick deal. It depends on what scent you guys get, but you get 760 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $3.04. So if you do that deal and mix it with the Ibotta deal, it ends up becoming just 13 cents for 1 bottle of hand soap. Otherwise, if you want to get more of the hand soaps and not submit to the Ibotta rebate, it ends up becoming just 63 cents for a bottle, which is still an awesome deal for hand soap. So here I'm checking out the clearance, and my store has this Motrin PM, originally $11.97 on clearance for just $4, but we have a $3 Ibotta rebate with a limited one. This just comes out to be $1 for Motrin, which is a pretty great deal. I just want to give you guys a heads up, even though it's June, but school supplies should be going on sale soon, so they already marked down some crayons for like 38 cents, 45 cents. The Creel is $1.17. The markers are going down, so just make sure you guys are keeping an eye out on the school supplies because they will be starting to go down more. So here we have a great deal on some spray and wash. It is $2.98, and there is currently a $2 Ibotta rebate with a limit of 3. So these comes out to be just 98 cents. 98 cents for some spray and wash. So here we have the soft scrub, the 4 count for $3.77. You're gonna pay $3.77 for it, but then we have an Ibotta rebate for 75 cents back. And then there is a Shopkick deal. Now when I clicked the green one, it said it had to be a 2 count. I scanned it, it was not working. I went to this one which shows the blue one, but it does say Alpine Fresh, and it does show that it's 4 count, but it says 2 count. I don't know what's confusing. But this one worked for this one right here. So you're gonna get 260 kicks for that, which is $2.04, making it just $1.98 for this. But then we're gonna get the soft scrub for $3.27. You get, again, 260 kicks with shop kicks through purchasing and scanning it, which is $1.04. And then there's a 75-cent Ibotta rebate, making this just $1.48. So you guys can do that. But there is a Fetch Rewards deal where if you spend $7, so if you buy 2 of those, that will not equal $7. But if you buy 1 of those and 1 of these, it comes out to be $7.04. So when you spend $7, you get $1 back with Fetch Rewards. You also get the 260 kicks for $1.04, $1.04, 75 cents, and 75 cents back with Ibotta, making your final price for both of them is $2.46 or just $1.23. So it just depends on what you guys want to get. So I'm getting this HopWtr that I'm getting free from Aisle. Now if you guys are not sure, Aisle, it used to be really big back in the day, and then they stopped, and then they're coming back. I just go like Aisle Rebates, I look that up, and then that's how I find it. But anyways, these are $1.98, and if I do get a link from them, I will put it below. But it says right here, it says get a free can, buy a HopWtr at your local retailer, send us a pic of receipt, we'll Venmo the whole thing. So basically I'll get that. It says PayPal too, but you'll pay $1.98 and you get $1.98 back, making this an easy freebie. So I am doing the Rockstar deal again. These are $1.88. You're gonna buy 2 of them and you will pay $3.76. But there is a deal that you guys can do, and I found out that you can do this every other week. But basically you get $5 back with every 2 that you purchase. You don't have to purchase gas, but you just basically you'll buy 2 of them, pay $3.76. And then you submit your receipt to the app or to the Aisle, and I will have the link below, and then you guys will get $5 back, making it $1.20 for moneymaker. But there is a deal right now with Fetch Rewards where if you buy 3 you get 750 points. So what you could do is, if you guys have 2 of those deals or whatever, I'm gonna buy 4 of them, but I'm gonna do 2 separate transactions, so altogether it'll come out to be $7.52 for 4 of them. I'll get $10 back in 2 separate receipts, 2 separate transactions. I'll get $10 back with that on my PayPal, and then I'll get 750 points, which is 75 cents. These come out to be a $3.23 moneymaker. Okay, so we have some good deals on some Nature Valley products. Now bear with me, I got a lot of stuff to explain to you guys about. So what I'm gonna do is I'm getting the banana chip. I forgot, I didn't do this deal last time. It was a couple weeks ago that I shared with you guys this deal, but I'm gonna get the banana chip. Now I will have links for both of these below. If you check this link right here, They will have all the way at the bottom what flavors you guys can get with these items, so I'm just giving you guys a heads up with that. But I'm gonna get this banana chocolate chip for $4.32, and then I'm getting one or two of these crunchy oats and honey. My kids love this stuff, so $3.42. So altogether I'm getting those 3 items, and I am paying just, I did not write the price down for that, seriously. I did the math, but I forgot to write down the actual price. So you'll pay $11.16 for those 3 items, but you'll get that rebate where you get this much money back for free, so $4.32 for that. Then they have a deal right now where if you buy 3 of the Nature Valley products, you get, with Fetch Rewards, you get 2,850 points, which is $2.85. I'm gonna go back and grab a yogurt so I can get an additional 1,000 points, but I'm not factoring that in this deal. And then there is an Ibotta rebate, which did I not? I don't know if I, oh you guys, this is ridiculous. I can't function today. There's a rebate right here where you get $1 back if you purchase 2. So altogether you'll get $4.32 back, you'll get $1 back with Ibotta, and then you'll get that $28.50 back with Fetch Rewards. And you want to make sure you submit your receipt to the box tops, you guys, so your school gets money. But that all comes out to be from $11.16 all the way down to $2.99 or 99 cents a box, which is a pretty good deal. Otherwise you could just go get this one and it's an easy freebie, but I'm gonna get the 3 of them, so it's an even better deal. The next deal I'm getting is the Mott's. I'm getting the apple streusel. There is no Ibotta rebate for this, but you're gonna get this for $3.42. And then I'm getting one of the General Mills. I'm gonna get the Reese's Puffs for $3.42. Altogether, you will pay $6.84. But then we have that freebie for the streusel or whatever. So you're gonna get that. You'll get $3.42 back. Then there is I did way too many screenshots. You get $1 back with this one, so you get that. And then there is a deal where if you buy 2 of these products, you get $16.50, which is $1.65. Comes out to be just 77 cents or 38 cents a box. So here we have these Goodles. I ended up Googling like free Googles, and I got to this website called Social Nature, and I get 100% cash back. So I already activated the thing. I just have to go on my computer and do this. But it looks like I'll get it through PayPal or that. But basically, this is an easy freebie. I don't have an Ibotta rebate, but I'm gonna definitely try this for free. It's $2.98. I'll get $2.98 back, making it for free. So here's a deal that I haven't even had these for a while, but these are the Annie's mac and cheese. We got them for $1.44. You're gonna buy 4 of them and you will pay just $5.76 for 4 of them. But we have an Ibotta rebate where you get $1 back when you purchase the 4, so you're gonna buy those. And there is a Fetch Rewards deal where you get 1,550 points for every 2 that you get. So you're gonna buy 4 of them and you'll end up getting 3,100 points. That's $3.10. Your final price for 4 boxes come out to be just $1.66 or 42 cents each. And you guys, you wanna submit your receipt to the box tops again, get that money for the school. So I think I'm gonna get one of those, maybe one of these, and I don't know what I'm gonna get yet. So here we have the Lunchables. We have the pepperoni one and the original for $3.96. Now this is perfect for kids like that know how to heat up their own food. But we currently have 1,500 points with Fetch Rewards with a limit of 3. And then there's a Ibotta rebate for the pepperoni for $1.25. Otherwise the original is $1. I'm gonna get the one with pepperoni. I'm gonna give it a try. But you'll pay $3.96. You get $2.25 back, making them just $1.71 a box. So we'll see how it goes. I'm just gonna try it out. I know I just had grilled cheese yesterday, but we'll still give it a try. So So here we have the sweet tarts. These are $1.98. You're gonna pay $1.98, but you're actually gonna get 2 of them. So you would pay for $3.96 for 2 of them. But we currently have 25 cents back with Ibotta, so you guys will get 50 cents back with Ibotta. Then you get $1.50 back with swag bucks for every 2 that you buy. And you also get 75 cents times 2, so $1.50 back with checkout 51, making them just 46 cents or 23 cents each. And I'm actually gonna get 4 of them because you can do the deal 4 times, or you can do the deals twice on swag bucks. So great deal for some candy. Hello, I am back from Walmart, yes, on this bright summer day. So I got everything that I shared with you guys. Everything worked out fine. For the HopWtr, I will have a link below that you guys can get one for free too. So I'll have the link below for the HopWtr, the Rockstar. I will have it for the Nature's Valley. I will have it for the other Nature Valley products. So yeah, I will try to have all that stuff in there. And if I forget to do it, just put it in the comments below. I'm sorry, I have like 4 people at my house right now, so I get kind of confused when I'm trying to post a video. So if I forget to do it, just somebody comment and then I'll put it in the information below. But altogether, everything that I shared with you guys, I got, everything came out to be $82.44 for all that stuff. $82.44. With Ibotta, I did not have a weekend warrior, which is okay, but I got $22 back with Ibotta for 17 rebates. Checkout 51, I got $4.24. Swag bucks, I got $4 back. Shopkicks, I got 1,800 points, which is $7.20. Fetch rewards, I got 12,024 points. 12,024 points, which is $12.02. I will be getting $10 back with Rockstar. I did get back the $1.98 for the HopWtr, and again, I will have the link below that you guys can get one for free too. I'm gonna submit my receipt for the Nature Valley and the other 2 items on my computer at home, but I should be getting $4.32 for the one Nature Valley, and then I'll be getting $3.42 for the Mott's. And then I should be getting, I'm gonna also do it on my computer for the macaroni and cheese, and I'll be getting $2.98 back for that noodles, which I'm actually kind of excited to try. So altogether, my grand total for 17 items was $10.28. I got 35 items, or no, I got 29 items for $10.28. That's 35 cents each, which is a pretty good deal. I did submit my receipt to the Box Tops website, and my school got $1.30 for everything that I bought. So I'm pretty happy with everything I got. So that was just a nice little haul. If you guys are interested in something like that, make sure you check it out. Go get those deals. And like I said, I will try to have the links in the information below for you guys. But if you like this video, please let me know by giving this video a great big thumbs up. You guys interacting with this video helps me a lot. It helps share my video just by liking it. It actually shares my video more. So if you guys could do that, that would be great. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Let me know if you guys have the weekend warrior. And yeah, and I was not gonna be doing a video last week. I don't know if I mentioned it last week or before, but I mentioned that I was not gonna be doing a video next week. We canceled our vacation. I will get to that point when I get to the point. I'm probably going to make a special video of everything that is going on. But I will share with you guys on that. But we did cancel our vacation. But I hope you guys have a fabulous weekend. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.